in the desolate, frozen heart of Antarctica, where the very air can shatter bone and the sun vanishes for months, an extraordinary saga of life unfolds. It is a tale of unwavering devotion, of sacrifice beyond measure, undertaken by parents who defy the planet's most brutal conditions. To bring their young into the world, the emperor penguins embark on a journey that seems utterly impossible, a 75-mile trek into the heart of the Antarctic winter, facing blizzards that rage at 120 miles per hour and temperatures that plummet to a soul-numbing -40 degrees Fahrenheit. This is not merely survival. It is the most extreme parenting journey on Earth, a testament to love's enduring power. As the brief Antarctic summer wanes, thousands of these magnificent birds gather at the edge of the sea ice, their sleek bodies primed for the ordeal ahead. This is the start of the Great Journey, an epic march away from the life-giving ocean, deeper into the continent's icy interior. Each step is a monumental effort, their waddling gait a slow, deliberate rhythm against the vast, featureless expanse. They navigate treacherous ice formations, scale icy ridges, and push through biting winds, driven by an ancient, unyielding instinct. This perilous trek, often lasting weeks, is a race against time and the encroaching darkness, a collective pilgrimage to their ancestral breeding grounds, a place of relative safety from oceanic predators, but one of unimaginable hardship. Exhaustion is a constant companion, yet they press on, a living river of black and white against the stark white canvas, each individual a vital part of a larger, shared destiny. Once the colony reaches its inland sanctuary, the females lay their single, precious egg. With a tender exchange, the responsibility shifts. The female, already depleted, must return to the ocean to feed, leaving her mate to face the harshest trials. This begins the father's vigil. For over 2 long, brutal months, the male emperor penguin will stand guard, his entire world shrinking to the fragile life cradled on his feet, beneath a specialized brood patch. He will not eat, relying solely on his stored fat reserves. He will endure the full fury of the polar winter, the relentless blizzards, the crushing cold, his body a living incubator, a shield against the elements. His commitment is absolute, a silent promise to the life he protects, a profound act of paternal devotion in a world designed to extinguish all hope. As the polar night descends, bringing with it the most extreme cold and violent blizzards, the penguins employ a remarkable strategy for survival: the huddle. Thousands of males, each guarding an egg, pressed together in a dense, shifting mass. This isn't random. It's a dynamic, cooperative behavior, a living fortress against the storm. Those on the outside bear the brunt of the wind and cold, but slowly, imperceptibly, the huddle rotates. Individuals on the periphery gradually move inward, finding warmth and shelter, while those from the center move to the exposed edges. This constant fluid movement ensures that no single bird freezes, distributing the burden of survival across the entire community. Inside the huddle, temperatures can be significantly warmer, a testament to collective action, a heartwarming display of solidarity in the face of overwhelming adversity. It is a triumph of cooperation, a shared breath against the suffocating grip of winter. Meanwhile, far away, the mother's race against time is underway. Having reached the open ocean, she dives into the frigid waters, hunting for fish and krill, replenishing her strength and building up vital reserves. But her feeding frenzy is not for herself alone. It is for the chick that will soon hatch, waiting for her return. With her stomach full, she begins the arduous journey back, retracing the 75 miles across the frozen wasteland. The clock is ticking. Her mate, having fasted for over 60 days, is at the absolute limit of his endurance. The chick, once hatched, will have only a few days of sustenance from the male's dwindling crop milk before it starves. Every step the mother takes is imbued with urgency, a frantic, desperate race against the unforgiving Antarctic calendar. Her return is the colony's lifeline, the moment of truth for the new life she carries within her. When she finally arrives, often amidst a chaotic reunion, the transfer of the chick is a moment of profound relief and renewed hope. The male, emaciated but triumphant, passes his offspring to the now nourished female, who immediately begins to feed it. He then embarks on his own desperate journey to the ocean to finally break his long fast. This cycle of sacrifice, of enduring unimaginable hardship for the sake of a single life, is the very essence of the emperor penguin. Their story is a powerful reminder that even in the most hostile corners of our world, love, resilience, and community can forge a path through the impossible, bringing forth new life against all odds. It is a testament to the unbreakable spirit of parenthood, a heartwarming epic played out on the coldest stage on Earth. To continue exploring the marvels of the natural world, subscribe to Animal Insight 360 and join us on the next journey.